Here's a bold statement. The future of manufacturing just got a major upgrade. Mastercam, the global leader in CAD as CAM software, has acquired key assets of QTE Manufacturing Solutions, a move that's set to revolutionize customer support in the Midwestern United States. But here's where it gets even more interesting. This isn't just a business deal. It's a strategic leap to bring decades of regional expertise directly into Mastercam's operations. And this is the part most people miss. By transitioning from a channel partner model to direct operations, Mastercam is promising faster, more tailored support for manufacturers. Let's dive into why this matters and how it could reshape the industry. Mastercam, part of the Sandvik Group, has completed a strategic acquisition to solidify its position in the Midwest, a key manufacturing hub. By integrating QTE's nearly 40 years of CAD as CAM industry knowledge and deep-rooted customer relationships, Mastercam aims to deliver unparalleled local support. This isn't just about expanding market presence, it's about redefining what manufacturers can expect from their software provider. QTE, founded in 1985 and based in St. Charles, Missouri, has been a top-performing Mastercam partner, offering specialized solutions across industries like aerospace, automotive, and more. Their expertise as a certified Mastercam training center further cements this acquisition as a game-changer. Russ Bukowski, president of Mastercam, puts it plainly. This acquisition is about elevating the customer experience through enhanced local support and service capabilities. But here's the controversial part. Does direct customer support truly outperform the traditional channel partner model? While Mastercam argues it ensures immediate, localized technical assistance, some might question whether this approach could limit flexibility for smaller manufacturers. What do you think? Is this a step forward or a potential overreach? By cutting out the middleman, Mastercam promises faster problem resolution and customized training programs delivered by specialists who understand local manufacturing nuances. This direct relationship model aligns with Mastercam's broader growth strategy, combining organic innovation with strategic acquisitions. As part of Sandvik's intelligent manufacturing portfolio, Mastercam continues to push boundaries in connected manufacturing processes, offering comprehensive support to manufacturers worldwide. But let's pause for a moment. Is this acquisition a win for everyone? While larger manufacturers might benefit from streamlined support, smaller businesses could face challenges if the direct model doesn't cater to their unique needs. And this raises a bigger question. In the race to dominate the market, are we leaving some players behind? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. For those eager to learn more, reach out to Melanie Frankel, Sister Media Director at Barclay Communications, at 760-421-7719 or email protected. To explore Mastercam's offerings, visit www.mastercam.com, follow them on LinkedIn, and join the conversation with #Mastercam. About Mastercam, as the world's leading CAD as CAM solutions provider, Mastercam is shaping the future of manufacturing. Under the Sandvik umbrella, they empower manufacturers to boost productivity, streamline processes, and drive innovation. With a global network of partners and a cutting-edge developer community, Mastercam sets industry standards for connected manufacturing solutions. About Sandvik Group, a high-tech engineering giant, Sandvik delivers solutions for manufacturing, mining, and infrastructure industries. With a focus on digitalization and sustainability, they optimize processes for over 41,000 customers in 150 countries, generating revenues of 123 billion Swedish kronor in 2024. Contact Mastercam. Phone, USA 800-228-2877. Phone, outside USA +1 86087558006. Fax, +1 860872155. Address, 671 Old Post Road, Toland, Connecticut 06084 USA. Website, www.mastercam.com. Final thought. Mastercam's acquisition of QTE's assets is more than a business move. It's a statement about the future of manufacturing support. But as we celebrate innovation, let's not forget to ask, are we building a future that works for everyone? Share your perspective below. We're all ears.